So many people are making money online with AI tools, and I am here to teach you how to start a faceless YouTube channel with AI. Let's start. Here is the exact stack of AI tools you need to build a faceless YouTube video channel, broken down by their specific role in your production pipeline. Let's follow it up. Number one tool you need is ChatGPT, OpenAI. These tools write your video outlines, full-length scripts, and the psychological hooks to keep your viewers watching. So ChatGPT is best for brainstorms, content calendars, and the YouTube video descriptions. It quickly processes commands like write a 60-second script with a cliffhanger. The next tool you can use for your script writing is Claude. Anthropic. It is best for deep storytelling, high-quality long-form narrative scripts, and the human emotional tones. Its writing style feels less mechanical than other AIs. The next tool you need is Voiceover tool. These tools turn your writing text into live speed, completely eliminating the need for microphone or voiceover actor. Number one of these tools for your voiceover is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is an absolute gold standard for faceless channels. It generates voices with natural pauses, breathing sounds, and emotional inflections that makes it almost impossible to detect as AI. The next AI tool you can use for your voiceovers is Lovo.ai, that is Jenny. It's a strong alternative that offers a massive library of specialized voices, specifically categorized by use cases like emotional storyteller or energetic marketing. Then we will not talk about an AI tool you can use for your visual and the B-roll generation. When you cannot show your face, these tools generate constant images or automatically find video clips to match your voiceover. Number one of these tools we are talking about is Midjourney. It is best for your hyper-realistic, cinematic, or stylized image. It runs inside Discord and creates stunning graphics for your storytelling, history, or scientific channels. The next tool you can use for visual and B-roll generation, visual generation is Leonardo.ai. It's also a powerful, user-friendly alternative for Midjourney. That is, if you cannot use Midjourney for your image generation, visual generation, you can use what? Leonardo.ai. It is also an alternative for what? Midjourney. It includes a web dashboard and offers free daily credits, making it excellent for creators starting with zero budget. If you want a free AI tool, go for Leonardo.ai. It offers daily credit. If you're a creator who has no money to start buying AI tools or subscribing for AI tools, you can use what? Leonardo.ai. The next AI you can use for your visuals is Runway AI tool, that is Gen 3. It is best for turning text prompts or static AI images into moving high-quality 3D video clips. If you are versatile with YouTube Shorts, you can see all these videos there called skeleton. Skeleton will be describing things. Say, what if? That is a kind of a what if a human being cannot sleep? What if a human being cannot stop growing tall? You see, all those skeletons they used to describe all those stories and descriptions and the scripts. They are normally use a Runway Gen 3 AI tool to create those images and the moving, images. They use Runway Gen 3 visuals, clips. They use Runway AI tool to generate such images. Then the number 4, that is automated video editing and the subtitle. Automated video editing simply means you just take your video, put into the AI tool, it will edit it for you and they give you a kind of a subtitle. If the person is speaking in English, they will be interpreting it with another language. If the person is talking with Japanese language, the AI tool will be translating it to English language. One of these AI tools you can get is CapCut. Is popular. I think you know it as a creator. You have CapCut app in your phone. So this is almost popular app for short form video editing. It is auto caption, features generated animated colorful text styles commonly seen on viral TikTok and the YouTube shorts. So CapCut is one of these AI tools. You can use to do it. So try CapCut, it's good. The next AI tool you can use for this automated video editing is Opus Clip, an incredible AI tool for long-form creators. You drop in a long YouTube video link and it is AI automatically cut out the most viral moment. Adds captions, and they reframe the video into vertical 9:16 shots. Very nice. Opus Clip. I like this one. The next AI tool is InVideo AI Tools. InVideo AI Tools is best for pure automation. You type in a prompt like create a video about the history of Rome and it will write the script, generate the voiceover, pulls the stock footage and edit it all together on its own in Video AI. Of course, you will need to subscribe for this one before it will be able to do these ones. So that is very nice too. The next AI tool you can use, the next AI tool to use is thumbnail design and packaging. Thumbnail design and packaging is also important. If you have a great video on YouTube without having a very good thumbnail, I don't think it will work. So as you're creating your great video, make sure you're creating a very nice matching thumbnail that will help you to sell that video on YouTube. So your thumbnail is what makes people click actually. These tools help you to build high click rate, that is CTR graphics. These tools I'm going to mention, these AI tools I'm going to mention now will help you to do all this. They call it Canva. Canva features an integrated Magic Studio AI suite. You can use it to instantly remove image backgrounds or scale low-res images or generate unique fonts and elements for your cover arts. Try Canva is very nice. There are other tools you can use to actually create or design very nice thumbnails. Canva is very nice. You can also check online and see if you can get any other better AI tool for your thumbnail designing. Thumbnail is very important. Anything you are doing in video editing, anytime you're creating video, make sure, especially YouTube video, anytime you're creating YouTube video, make sure you have a very nice thumbnail that will help people to click on your video before they see what you have there. If you find value in this video, subscribe to my channel and wait for my next video.